It's soup season, and what a better soup to make than sauerkraut soup. It's easy and delicious. I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make this yummy, easy, and healthy sauerkraut soup. Stay tuned. This sauerkraut soup is packed full of flavor, texture, and nutrients. With the weather getting colder, this soup will definitely warm your toes. In my pot, I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of finely diced onions, 2 stalks of celery, and 2 diced carrots. Adding a little salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes or until the veggies start to soften. Onions, celery, and carrots are always a great start to a soup. To add a little smoky flavor to the soup, I'm adding in a slice of diced bacon, cooking and stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes. And for another depth of flavor, I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of tomato paste, stirring in the tomato paste to incorporate and cooking for another minute or 2. I think the tomato flavor really adds well with the sauerkraut. Now I'm slowly adding in 6 cups of chicken broth and turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. I'm using a homemade chicken broth, but if you're using a canned or boxed, choose a low sodium. The seasoning is real simple. I'm adding in about a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme for a little earthiness. You could also add in a couple bay leaves, giving that a stir, bringing up to a simmer, and cooking for 15 minutes. Now the star of the show, the sauerkraut. This is a brand from Aldi's. It is a 24-ounce container of sauerkraut that I rinsed and drained. I just lightly rinsed to remove some of the excess salt. Adding in 3 medium peeled and diced potatoes. You could also add beans to the soup. Bringing this back to a simmer and cooking for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. And we are almost ready to eat. Give the soup a taste test for any seasonings. Here I have 2 cups of cooked chicken, and this really rounds the sauerkraut soup off to a hearty meal. Adding a little salt and black pepper, giving that a good stir, and cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the chicken is heated through. As you can see, this sauerkraut soup is packed full of flavor, very hearty and soothing. If you are looking for a different and good fall soup, this sauerkraut soup is the ticket. I hope you give it a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!